Just before Christmas in 2023, the small team at Cognition was struggling to set up a particularly complex data server for the San Francisco-based AI startup's fledgling coding assistant, Devin. They'd spent hours poring over installation documents and trying different commands, but just couldn't get it to work. Tired and frustrated, they decided to see how Devin would handle it. As the AI sprung into action, it befuddled its creators. It ran the most witchcraft, black magic-looking commands, co-founder and head of product Walden Yen, 21, recalls. For a time, it seemed Devin wouldn't do any better than they had. Then a server terminal light that had been red for hours turned green. The data server was up and running. Devin had deleted a faulty system file the team had overlooked, they realized. That was the moment it really hit me how much software engineering is going to change, Yen says. It was the first major task Devin ever completed, and proof of concept for Cognition's vision of AI taking the grunt work out of coding. Now, almost a year later, Devin is handling basic engineering jobs, spotting and fixing bugs, updating chunks of code and migrating them between platforms. Give it a simple prompt, clean up this codebase, and it creates a plan of action and executes it. Most times it works. It's a different approach from other better-known and bigger players in the still burgeoning field, like GitHub, which Microsoft bought for $7.5 billion in 2018, and $1.30 billion valued Codium, both of which provide digital assistants that help people write code with AI-powered suggestions. But Devin is an autonomous AI agent that, in theory, writes the code itself, no people involved, and can complete entire projects typically assigned to developers. The name Devin comes from dev, an abbreviation for the term. What we saw is a real opportunity, says Scott Wu, 28, Cognition's co-founder and CEO, to move from text completion to task completion.